Do you want to ratchet on it, or do you want to just tie a knot? They come back to me. You what? They come back to me. Yeah. Right. Hooking it on subframe, so keep tension on that. Right, how do you want to do this?
Just put a light strap on. Not published out for a while, but yeah, I've had a bit of an accident, as you can see. I'm wrestling on. I'm still working, but one-handed. I've had to call in some help, but we're going there with Husky. I've got an appointment next week at MSK. The doctor referred me rotator cuff injury or tendons. We've got to see whether they send me for a scan out. I don't know, but we'll see what happens. I'll get back to you next week on that one. Anyway, here's some content. It's what I've got up to yet. There might not be much commentary with it. I'll try and speak over it, what they call it. Right, I'm just sorting computer out. Yeah, I'll try and speak over the clips that's thingy. But we're coming along nicely. We're on the front end now. We're trying to fit the doors. The driver's doors fitted. The big thing about that was that whoever had the car before put the seals on the wrong way around, so that there were traps stopping the door from shutting. I've been in touch with some of the guys on the HILLMAN HUSKY page, and one sent me a photo. He said he fitted his that way round and the doors wouldn't shut, so he turned them round and the doors shut fine now. So we should be alright with that. We're waiting for them coming. We've got carpet, we've got I've got all the stuff ready for recovering from the interior. I've got all the paint and everything. A bit of a mishap there. The H from the centre of the steering wheel is missing. I don't know where it is. Looks like somebody's prized it off and nicked it, but I can't see they're doing that. So unless it's fell off itself and we've not seen it. But anyway, here's the content. Hope you enjoy it. So I'll see you later. Hey up. Just getting on with the wing. It's coming along fine. It's just a slow process. I've had to make some of the, I'm going to show you. The headlight rings. Trial run, no. I've tried to take that off of a piece I got off, but it didn't work, so that is, yeah, that's fine. I've made this. You know how you get a compasses to do your circles at school, or whenever you want them? I've made this with the marks on, 3 1/4 and 4 1/4, and a centre punch hole line. Then I fitted it to this hole, and it produced this. Now what I've got to do, I can't cut it out of the old piece, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it out first the inside, and then I'm going to have a go at the outside and take me real slow. That should be what I need. 3 1/4 from its centre, which makes it 6 1/2 diameter in centre, an 8.5 on the outside, which is 2 4 1/4. And then your headlamp bowl fits into that and screws into that. Well, then you've got your lights. It's all good stuff. It takes ages, this does. Patching. I've got to do all these, look, with thingy bar, fill them all in and flatten them out. That's what takes your time. So, we'll see you in a bit. Here we are, I'm doing the second one. This is easy as this one. With the 3 3/4, I've cut the hole. So, it does that look. I'll do it again because it seems that the Sharpie doesn't want to play ball. Right, we'll go the 4th one, the bigger one. Well, Sharpie don't want to play ball, but you've got the idea. It's like a clock. That is better than your compass because it makes perfect rings. And once you've drilled it, you've got that for others and all, because they're all pretty much the same size. So I'll go on shelf until we need it again. Right. See you in a bit. There we are then. As you can see, we've got first coat of primer on. So it's when the filling starts and the tank's got to go back in. I don't like that flexi brake pipe. I think I've ordered 3. They're alright. The spring hangers are alright. We've got to get up inside there and get that some, yeah, give it some thingy. Yeah. That sill's in the thing in that floor is in the process of being remanufactured. That's quite an extensive lot of welding, but it's coming on now. So yeah, quite good actually. Pleased with the progress. So of course the wing is another thing. Well, update. Most of the suspension is back up. As you see, we started to put brake parts and shockers on. Looking very good. Here we are, paint's come. Pippin red. It's got the sort of white out now. We're not doing too bad. Right, so there's all sorts gone off. Then all sorts. Thing is, spares here, paint. It's all going back together nicely. And here we go for today. All braked up, piped up on the rear. We've got front to back. We've got front to back to go at. We're cleaning down under the rear. We've got most of the structure done. It's going to be front wings, bonnets on. Yeah, everything's going as it should be. we're hoping in a couple of weeks of dump molding, then it's a paint, body working for a week and then paint. So yeah, we're slowly getting everything. That's all Hillman. Slowly getting it all and then bumper bars up there. Yeah, slowly getting it all together. Keep your fingers crossed. We might just make it. See you later.